Going to be making Firework T-Shirts today for the 4th of July. You will need acrylic paint. You'll need blue and red. If you have a darker shirt, you can also add white, but we're just going to be doing blue and red today. And you're going to also need a koosh ball. I get one for each color, so you don't mix the colors. You're going to dab the koosh ball into the paint, and then what I'm going to do is get some of the excess paint off of the koosh ball, and you're going to lightly dab the koosh ball onto the t-shirt where you want your firework. And then when you're ready to, you want to switch colors, I'm going to use red. And then you can dab it where you want. Put it in the places where you like until you've got all the fireworks on your t-shirt that you want. That looks cool. You can even overlap them if you want. You want the red and the blue kind of blending in together a little bit. I can overlap them a little bit. And there you go. You got fireworks on your t-shirt, and you can put as many fireworks as you'd like. If you let this dry, later on you can flip it over, and if you want to do the back side, you can also do the back side. And there you have your fireworks t-shirt for the 4th of July.